Hello everyone, khurumka jotono ang kaisa even thana nai tongo so abun sang kaisa no rogi kisa kok ka chana boi ma phake no jotono saimano final 12 April chini autonomous district council election ngan thangi dong so chini yashi kongsano bahai ki use khai ke bomti ke kahamangi man wan shubina ro bodilai jadi and board nanin ka chini constitutional right article 326 sejak tongo Indian constitution so ang board dia kono mungshang henta one should be every vote count, every vote matters. So jotno one should be vote and one more thing, before voting, we must think carefully. We should not be influenced blindly, but instead choose leader who genuinely work for the welfare of the people. Our goal should always be to stay in a safe and progressive zone, where development is real and meaningful, not just promise. We must support leaders who work honestly for society, for our people, and especially encouraging young leaders who have vision, courage, and dedication. If we don't raise our voice and make the right choices today, we must lose our identity and direction tomorrow. Example, everyone at the Norok market to bang ma jifro samung release fruit. Kat hansani video kaitan ke amsuki hamzago the quality kaham hine norok na bobo night gya society ne bobo hame hine norok music video no se norok differentiate khaiman hunga ke tini bus kang ni election no tangi sung bomo kaham bomo hamya no differentiate khaya tong maya tong nai ba. So, let's all come together, think wisely, and vote responsibly. Our vote is our voice is our power for our people, for our land, for our future. Let's stand strong as Tiprasa and make the right choice. Klumka.